To personalize a lock screen on POCO M8, first of all, you have to start by opening the settings. Now, we can actually find two places where we can find some options about the lock screen. The first, it's available here. So what we can do, first of all, we can actually customize the shortcuts that are available in the left and the right corner. You can turn them off like that, or you can link some specific options. So in my case, I'm often using flashlight and the camera. Now we are just set this. So it's actually time to go back and open the personalization. Now we have to click on the lock screen, and first of all, you can completely change the lock style by swiping up and down and then left and the right and pick completely different style. Wallpaper and clock. I really enjoy this one, so I want to customize this one. We have to click here. Remember that for each style, you can actually find some different options. Now, if I'm gonna click here, as you can see, I actually cannot change anything about the clock. But if I'm gonna go for the font settings, I can actually change its color and the temperature of the color. And I can also change the decorative elements. So the lines over here. Now I can click outside. I can additionally add some effects into my wallpaper. I really like this lens effect, but we can actually find a couple of them for the glass and stuff like that. Now click here, and additionally you can change even the wallpaper still, so you can pick some photos over here, or you can pick something from your gallery. If you want to set a custom photo or wallpaper, you have to mark the picture that you want to put. Now if you apply everything, you have to click apply in the right upper corner. But if you like to actually adjust the clock, you will have to pick one of these clock style. Go here, and now as you can see, you are able to click twice to change clock style, font style, the clock style, the widgets. We can even turn them off. Take a look. Nothing will be shown here. And we can click here to simply add some text into the lock screen. Even we can add here emojis, just like this. And now we can still edit those font color, the secondary one, but it's now not working because we just removed some other widgets. And now we have to click apply. And that's how we can actually customize the lock screen on this device.